In this lesson, you will learn how to test for sharpness. Let's start by using a piece of paper. So I'm going to show you a sharp knife. So I'm going to place my hand right here so I have a nice grip, and I'm going to go straight down. Nice. What we're looking for is to see a nice clean line. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you a knife that is kind of medium. It needs a little bit of sharpening, but it's not perfect. So there's a little bit of resistance. I could even see the paper is more coarse, and I couldn't really control the way the knife was going down. So that knife definitely needs some sharpness. And now let's go to the third contender. This knife is useless. Perfect. This is one way to test for sharpness. I'm going to show you a second way. And actually, I love this one as well because tomatoes have a very thick skin. So we want to make sure that our knife could cut a tomato. So let's use a sharp knife. You need to just drop the knife down and just let it do its job. If you have to put force, it needs sharpening. So let's go ahead and do that. Ooh, nice. No resistance. Beautiful. This knife is sharp. The next knife, the one that we saw that definitely needs a little bit of sharpening, but it's not as dull as the third one. Nice, it could cut, but it's not as smooth as the previous one. Great job. Now let's go to the third one. That's what I want you to see. 3 different knives, and look at this. It doesn't even go through. This knife, again, is useless. When I'm going like that and putting a little bit of force, it is cutting, but if you don't put any force, this does not go down at all. So this is how you would test for sharpness. It's very simple, but if you see that your tool is not sharp enough, make sure you go to the next lesson where you will learn how to sharpen your knife.